how to fix Medium account suspended during publication. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, review your partner program terms, right? So in there, you need to check for a violation regarding AI generated spam and undisclosed affiliated links or plagiarism. So in there, of course, if it is some sort of AI generated text, then of course you cannot post it, or else your account will actually be suspended. So make sure to keep that in mind. And in there, the second thing that you should do is simply send an inquiry directly to your friends at medium.com, and in there you can actually send inquiry regarding your account suspension, right? So you can email trust and safety too. So the very last thing that you can actually do right here is fix the non-compliant post. What you're going to do is remove any flagged links or content violations, and after doing that, I'm pretty sure that this will help you fix the Medium account suspended during publication. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.